जैसा कि कुछ देर पहले हमने कहा था कि राज्यसभा में तृणमूल कांग्रेस लीडर डेरेक ओब्रायन ने मरकज पर निशाना साधा। उन्होंने कहा कि मोदी हुकूमत हर महाज पर नाकाम हो गई है। उन्होंने ट्रैक्टर रैली के दौरान किसान की हुई मौत मामले की जांच कराने का भी मुतालबा किया।
Tractor incident, that unfortunate tractor incident where a farmer died under mysterious circumstances. Who is in charge of law and order there? All I'm saying is let the truth be told. I'm not coming to any conclusions. Let the truth come out. Who is in charge of that? The Home Minister of India is in charge. Do a proper inquiry and let the truth come out. What more am I saying? Political and administrative responsibility is with the Prime Minister and with the Home Minister. This government, very clear, it's our position, I'm sure it's everybody's position, the repealing Bill 2021 that will repeal all those three farmer bills, because you've asked for 18 months in any case. I've taken the liberty, in all humility, we've taken the liberty of drafting the repealing bills. Let's talk more about farmers, because sometimes the arrogance, the hubris is not letting the government listen. So